have my salt. I just collected a pinch of salt, and then this is lemon.
Yes, lemon.
Yeah? This lemon is open because I used some part of it to cook meat. I thank God there are some juice inside it. So I'm gonna be mixing some meat for gargle. This is for gargle, like, you know, if the virus haven't entered into the respiratory tract, this is what you do. You mix it. Shift comes. You mix it. You don't hear what I'm doing a video and you are distracting me. So this is salt, this is lemon. So I'm gonna be adding the water. This water is hot. I'm not supposed to, it's not supposed to be too hot. It's not supposed to be too hot. It's supposed to be lukewarm water. So this is a very hot water right now. Very hot water. So I'm going to be getting just cold water to dilute it. Kamsi, come down so that this water won't pour on you. So I want to for fancy. So I'm adding this lemon inside the hot water. And salt. Then adding the pinch of salt. Not a pinch anyway, just little. Then I'm diluting this water with cold water. I'm going to share this whole thing within them, each cup, so they use here. So sorry, I need to turn the whole thing, turn it very well, so that I mix it for them. Then all of them. So you guys, it's not an easy thing. You people should pray for me that this cold will just be a common cold that is disturbing them. Coronavirus is in Scotland now, is in Motherwell, everywhere is shut down. My children, I didn't allow them to go to school because of the cold. They say protect yourself, your children, and also protect others. Even if you've got such a thing, you don't have to spread it to others. So that's the reason why I also asked my daughter to stay home, because she has also started sneezing. So take yours.
Sure.
Do a gargle. Go to the, when you are doing this gargle, do it in the, the toilet, the bedroom there. Let's go and do it.
It's too hot too.
Is it too hot? Dilute it a bit. I leave it to cool for some minutes. I don't want it to be so cold. It needs to have some, just take it to that place. I'm coming. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this short video. Please protect yourself for now by staying home, and if you've got any cold, just start, as in if you've got cold, like you've got a cough or catarrh and all that. One is do a mouth gargle. Two is have paracetamol at home, which you take, you give whoever that have got cold in your home based on the dosage. And then make sure you protect them from cold, wear them socks and all those things, so that the mouth, the gargle now helps to eliminate the virus. By the time they do the gargle and throw it off, even if the ones that cannot do this gargle swallows the water, it will still eliminate it. But best is, because the hotness of the water is what kills the virus. Plus this lemon is very, very good. It also kills virus. Also garlic also kills viruses. So guys, please stay safe from coronavirus. Have a nice day. Give this video a thumbs up, like and share. Bye bye.